今ここはシェアハウスの中庭なんだけど、こうやってキャンプファイヤーができる、焚き火ができるスペースがあって、今日はここでキャンプファイヤーを大家さんのランディと大家さんの弟のケイシーと3人でやってます。これからここで餅焼いたりとかおうち時間を過ごしたいと思います。ベイビーキャンプファイヤー、ベイビーキャンプファイヤー、これからもっと火は大きくなります。最高。C'est ta fête. I love hot. この木を使ってバーベキューをします。これから。上は木なんだけど大丈夫なんだよね、意外に。中庭でやってます。薪をくべろ。薪をくべろ。おうち時間。Different family. Go outside and just look. Totally different family. Yeah, it's good. And this tree actually attracts an insect called the emerald. I forgot what the name is. But the emerald that's green, shiny, shiny green. Like so shiny, like yeah, like purple green, shiny. And it makes a hole inside and lives inside to kill the tree. Yeah, kills it. Yeah, it's the only tree that attracts that bug. And when the tree dies, you can, when you see the hole, you can cut it, you can find a beautiful green emerald. Really? No. You have to get good one. You have to get good one. Okay. 豚肉焼いてます。Carpet outside. With parking. Let's go. I want to go there, bro. Fuck the rest. Go there. ありがとうマスター。ありがとうマスター。ありがとうマスター。よきたり。焼き鳥。My fucking pork. My fucking big piece of niniku. Non-niniku. You forgot. You should forget niniku. No, I never forget niniku. I'm niniku-san. ランディはすぐニンニクって言うんだよね。ニンニクってすごい言うんだよ。Yeah, all the time. 絶対うまい。絶対うまい。Look at this on the wood, and the wood has salt. Look at the salt on the wood. Okay, try. Okay. You can stop. You try. Thank you. Okay. Oh yeah, this one here. Oh. Chef Master Casey. You ready? Oh. T'as fait? C'est à cause de qui? Oh, il n'y a pas de basil oil. Yeah. Oh, tu le goûtes, hein? Ah, si t'es bon, par exemple, tu l'as cliqué. Oh. Oh, you're good! Oh, yeah, in your hand, in your mouth. Oh. It's your piece. Slowly. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's tuna? Yeah, rack beef. Oh. Good? I like. Okay, no more tuna. Okay. Thank you, God. No more tuna. So good. Yellow tail. Much better. It's so good. So cheap, huh? $7.50. It's not that. It's $7.50. We eat 25 cents. Rice tomago. Tomago bread. Oh, Casey, for my birthday, make tomago sandwich. And you see stone, very hot stone. Make a little fire, bring stone inside.
Ah,
Keep
yes.
them close.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Keep warm.
Yeah.
C'est beau, hein. La vraie photo.ということで、キャンプファイヤー終わります。これから中でご飯食べます。